Assalamu alaikum everyone. With this cold snap weather that we've had for the last few days and being back in lockdown 5.0, welcome back to Wafa's table. Today I'm going to be making a lentil soup. We need a 4-litre pot, 2 cups of red lentils, a quarter of a cup of short grain rice, some pepper paste, 1 big onion, oops, over there, 1 carrot, my own special blend of spices, 6 spices in there, some salt, some vegetable ghee to keep it all vegetarian, and a sieve to wash it all well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, guys. Okay, so I've washed really well. Excuse me, cat, out the way, it's not for you. Binks has grown so much since our last video. I have washed really well in a sieve the rice and the lentils. Remember, lentils have a lot of dust and rice has a lot of starch. So wash them really well, pop them in there. I have also diced my carrot really small because it helps it cook quicker. I'm gonna add the carrot to the lentils. Then I'm gonna fill the pot halfway with water and pop it on the stove, put it on high until it boils, then we're going to reduce the heat. Once that has started boiling, we're going to reduce the heat, and what we're going to do is we are going to scoop all this off, the top layer, the white scum, if you want to call it, and dispose of it. Once you remove the scum, I leave the plate here on the side, and every time it forms a layer, I will scoop it all out. As you can see, the lentils, rice are expanding in there. So what do? I boil my kettle and I top it up. So top it up as you need it. And again, when it expands, we will top it up again. Now to let that simmer. Once your carrots are soft and you can see that your lentils and rice are really cooked and mushy, what we're going to do is I've taken it off the stove. I am going to grab my bar mix. I'm going to put my bar mix in there and I am going to whiz it up to make sure that the carrots get disintegrated and you can't see them except for the colour. After I blended the soup, I've popped it back onto the stove, back onto a simmer. And over here, I have diced finely my large onion. I have about 4 tablespoons of the vegetable ghee in there. I'm gonna cook my onion until it's a nice golden caramelized color and add that to the soup. While the onion's caramelizing there, I'm going to add my salt, my pepper, and my capsicum paste, a tablespoon of capsicum paste, and I'll whisk that in just so the capsicum paste can dissolve in there. I'm very generous with my mixed spice. I believe that's what gives it so much flavor. You can buy this mixed spice from any Middle Eastern delicatessen supermarket. They all sell it. It's just called a Lebanese, I think, 7 spice. I make my own. I just believe it's fresher grinding those spices. Add your salt to taste, obviously. Don't add too much because if it needs more, you can add extra. If there's too much in there, then you're in trouble. And keep cooking your onion and stirring it away so it doesn't burn. That's just about ready. Look at that beautiful color there, sizzling away. Pour it while it's hot, straight on top. Listen to that sizzle. Get every bit in there because this just makes the soup. hope you've enjoyed today's cooking show. I love making this soup. My kids really enjoy it. You can pop it in the fridge, heat and eat. It will last in the fridge for at least 5-6 days. You can freeze the leftovers and take them out whenever you feel like some soup. It's hearty, it's good for you, it's cost efficient. I mean, what more can you ask for? Enjoy.